Siemens, a German conglomerate headquartered in Berlin, has announced its intention to establish its presence in Ghana. This came up during the visit of President Akufo-Addo to Germany to attend the G20 Compact Africa Conference underway in Berlin. Siemens is the largest industrial manufacturing company in Europe, with a focus on energy, healthcare, and infrastructure and cities.
The decision by Siemens to have its branch in Ghana comes on the heels of a move by Volkswagen, a German automobile company, to set up an assembly plant in Ghana. Industry players have described the entry of these two giant companies into Ghana as a vote of confidence in the country's drive towards industrialization and leverage on Ghana's strategic location to serve the African market. President Akufo-Addo, who is attending the G20 African Compact in Berlin, stressed that the coming of Siemens to Ghana is a testament to the effort government has put in place in creating the necessary environment for the private sector to flourish. He added that his government will continue to work hard to attract investment to help build a country which does not rely on handouts but trade to unleash the potential of its people.
I'm confident that if respected, the premise on which this conference is being held will enable Germany and the compact with Africa countries to reshape our economies and chart a new path of growth and development in freedom. Together we can help make life meaningful and worth living for our peoples like others have done.
President Akufo-Addo lauded the German Chancellor Mrs. Angela Merkel for convening the conference, adding that Ghana is delighted with Germany's decision to change its relationship with Ghana and indeed with Africa from one based on aid to relationship focused primarily on trade and investment cooperation. President Akufo-Addo seized the occasion to congratulate Dr. Angela Merkel on exceptional leadership service to Germany and Europe over the last decade and more.
Ghanaian people and I will regret her departure very much, for she has been one of the most outstanding leaders of modern times. We shall miss her very much. I thank you for your attention.
Another dividend from the Berlin conference, an €8 million agreement signed between a German company, HL Hamburger, and a Ghanaian company, Agricare, to produce animal feed formulation in Ghana. HL Hamburger is a leading manufacturer and supplier of specialist feeds and compound feeds in Germany. The investment from HL Hamburger into Agricare consists of full technology transfer in animal feed formulation and sales to enable Agricare to utilize more locally produced raw materials in the formulation of feeds.